Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simply put a photo on videos on CapCut. So in here, I have already imported the video and I want to put a photo on top of this video, and what you need to do is just use the overlay feature on CapCut. So you can start by go to where you want to add the photo. I'm going to add here, for example. Click on the overlay button, add overlay, and then find the photos that you want to add. Okay, for example, I'm going to find the photo first. Okay, this one's right here. I'm going to add this photo. Select the photo and click on add. Okay, so this is the result, but to make it more interesting, you can use masking. So here I'm going to click on the photo and find masking, this one, mask. Then I'm going to select the heart shape option. Adjust the position and the size. You can zoom it in to make it bigger. You can also add some feather to your photos like this. Click on the check icon when you are done, and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.